Launching ChalkLit. Starting from the profile section, where it is necessary to fill in your first name and gender to proceed when entering for the first time, we land on the home page. The home screen has 4 sections. Shortcuts to training and in-class resources on the top, followed by trending posts marked as interesting reads and the ChalkLit wall. Trending posts are the posts which are currently most talked about by our teachers. Clicking on any of these posts will redirect you to the relevant post. Click on back icon to come back on the home page. The wall has different types of educational resources like riddles, fun facts, educational news, teacher tales, career advice, updates from SCRT, etc. Now let's explore SCRT trainings. Here we have 3 sections. Closed trainings, which are trainings done by the teacher in the past. Ongoing trainings, which the teacher is currently undergoing. And the upcoming trainings, which the teacher has registered for but are yet to start. Trainings are comprehensive treatment of more complex topics. Such topics are taught across grades, hence they are multi-level and multi-grade. All the sections in this app are also accessible through the selection menu on the left. Let's access the in-class resources from this menu here. In-class resources are grade-specific curriculum-aligned resources. Select the language and the grade to access these. Here are the chapters divided into modules and posts. These posts have learning objectives, real-life examples, concept to be delivered, teaching methodologies, misconceptions to be addressed, and assignments and assessments. These are meant to help the teacher take an effective class every day and address different kinds of learner in her classroom. The menu also allows for an option to contact the support team through call, email, or request a callback option if facing any issue. Hope you have a great learning experience on ChalkLit.